Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the top 5 best drones on AliExpress for 2026. These drones are selected based on camera quality, flight stability, GPS performance, and overall value for money. If you are looking for a beginner-friendly drone or a professional aerial camera drone, this video will help you choose the right one. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Potensic Atom 2 3-axis gimbal camera drone. 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 4K HDR video recording, 8K photo resolution, vertical shooting mode, AI night shot tracking, up to 10 kilometers transmission range, weight under 249 grams. The Potensic Atom 2 is an excellent choice for content creators who want high-quality, stabilized footage in a lightweight drone. The 3-axis gimbal delivers smooth cinematic video, and the vertical shooting mode is perfect for short-form content. Being under 249 grams makes it travel-friendly and regulation-friendly in many countries. Pros: lightweight and portable, excellent stabilization, long control range, high-quality camera output. Number 2. S155 Pro Max 8K GPS Professional Drone. 8K HD aerial camera, 3-axis gimbal, GPS positioning, 5G Wi-Fi transmission, professional-grade build. The S155 Pro Max is built for users who prioritize resolution and stability. The 8K camera captures extremely detailed footage, and GPS flight modes help maintain stable positioning. This drone is better suited for open outdoor environments. Pros: ultra-high 8K camera, stable GPS flight, solid build quality. Number 3. L200 PRO Max Dual Camera GPS Drone. Dual camera system, GPS positioning, obstacle avoidance, 2-axis gimbal, brushless motors. The L200 PRO Max offers a strong balance between safety, performance, and price. The obstacle avoidance system makes flying safer for beginners, while the dual cameras provide flexible shooting angles. Pros: obstacle avoidance system, dual cameras for versatility, good GPS accuracy. Number 4. XT555 GPS Drone Foldable FPV Quadcopter. 4K HD dual cameras, GPS navigation, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, foldable design, remote controller with display screen. The XT555 is designed for hobbyists who want a fun FPV flying experience. The built-in screen on the controller eliminates the need for a smartphone and improves usability in outdoor conditions. Pros: foldable and portable, FPV screen controller, easy to operate. Number 5. SG603 PRO 8K GPS Drone with touchscreen remote controller. 8K HD camera, GPS smart return, 5G Wi-Fi transmission, touchscreen remote controller, brushless motors. The SG603 Pro stands out because of its large touchscreen remote controller, making navigation and camera control simple and intuitive. It is a good option for users who want a premium control experience. Pros: touchscreen controller, stable GPS flight, strong camera resolution. These are the top 5 best drones on AliExpress 2026, offering different strengths for different users. Best overall balance, L200 Pro Max. Best for creators and travel, Potensic Atom 2. Best controller experience, SG603 Pro. Choose the drone that fits your flying style, camera needs, and budget. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.